Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we're gonna talk about a tool set from Gedore. Gedore offers two kind of product line, Gedore Blue and Gedore Red. Gedore Blue is their premier product line and Gedore Red is a cheaper and affordable product line targeting DIYers. This toolbox is from Gedore Premier Blue product line. Let's open up the box and see what we got here. Gedore tools are expensive. I bought this tool set just for 170 euros from German Amazon. It's quite cheap. Some paper cushion in the box. I don't think this paper cushion has any help for protection during shipping. It would need more cushion, I guess. The part number of this box is 19BMC20. It's got 69 pieces in total. Label package has all the technical information about the amount of the tools and number of pieces and sizes. It's nice that it's got detailed info what we are getting. Surprisingly, it says made by Gedore but does not mention made in Germany. The box has big blue Gedore logo on top of the surface. Box quality is just fine, not very robust as compared to the traditional blow molded plastic. It is good quality box but not as per my liking. I liked Bahco or Kamasa or Blue Point style boxes more. Opening clips is nice and easy. Quality seems good for these clips. Now that's crazy. Tools are all over the places. Did not expect this from Gedore. Not a big deal though. Let's put them back to their places. It's got foam layer of anti-slip and anti-vibration purpose, which seems not working properly. It's got some silicone pouches for moisture wicking. On top of the box, there is a diagram of tools and sizes and their designated spot onto the shadow foam. The box comes with half-inch ratchet and socket assortment from 15 to 32 mm with few skips. It's got quarter-inch ratchet and the socket assortment from 4 mm all the way to 14 mm. It's got 4 spark plug sockets, some extensions and bit assortments. Let's start with the half-inch ratchet first. I already have the same ratchet and reviewed it already. I tell you guys now, since I have used the same ratchet already, this is an awesome high quality ratchet. Look at those aggressive forged letter and logos. I love how Gedore forged the letters onto the metal. Rough industrial finish of Gedore is something different. Ratchet has flat shaft just like other Gedore ratchets. The handle is two-component design with blue part is harder and black one is softer. It's got hanger hole too. I mentioned in my earlier videos, the handle of this Gedore ratchet is one of my favorite. It fits perfectly in my hands. Pear shape head is well crafted. It's a beautiful piece. Selector switch is well recessed and protruding downwards for easy engagement. In addition with small notch onto the switch helps for anti-slip feature. Look how easy is that to switch the direction. Switch is made out of solid metal. I like its quick release button. It's smooth and easy to press. Teeth counts are 60, which is not very fine for today's standard, but mechanism is buttery and smooth. Let's try some socket. Socket seated smoothly and firmly. It's got very little wobble. The quick release button is working flawlessly. I like the quick release function. It is very convenient for inserting and removing the socket in oily hands. You also don't drop socket accidentally. Let's have a look into the socket. The socket looks nice with Gedore logo on it. I like the aggressive knurling on the socket. I feel the socket chrome plating does not look that much aggressive as their typical sockets. If you look these Gedore sockets, the chrome job is industrial rough coating. and these are half polished and half rough. But these sockets are not like that. And this socket does not have made in Germany stamped as previously Gedore used to have made in Germany on every socket. This socket looks good, but I started to doubt if these sockets are made in Germany. Ratchet is definitely made in Germany though. Here you can see other sockets. No made in Germany stamped. These looks heavy duty anyway, but I don't like when it's not made in Germany stamped. It's a blue series of product line. It's supposed to be made in Germany. Now look at the half-inch socket extensions. These don't look like typical Gedore made in Germany extensions. They used to have knurling on them, plus these extensions used to have aggressive corners on anvil side. But these looks generic Taiwanese made extensions, and the chrome plating is not typical Gedore finish. Now these longer extension has the same story. Does not look made in Germany. This T-handle is nice addition to the set though. The chrome job is same as other extensions. These spark plug sockets have same chrome finish as other socket in the set. But again, no made in Germany stamping. Quality does not look bad though. Even it's made outside of the Germany, it does not mean bad quality. It is just surprise for me since it is blue product line. Remaining sockets are same. This universal joint socket is very handy in odd angle. This is also definitely not made in Germany. Time for quarter-inch assortment and ratchet. Here you can see this ratchet is made in Germany and it's got aggressive rough industrial chrome plating. This tiny ratchet is also a beautiful piece of tool. Everything about this ratchet feels high quality. Let's test some socket on it. Socket fits nicely and firmly. It's got quarter-inch universal joint adapter too and some extensions. These sockets have different chrome texture. Again, no made in Germany stamping. It's got T-handle too in quarter-inch drive. The bit driver with anvil slot is nice addition to this set. It can be used as socket or bit driver like screwdrivers. It can be used as an extension too, which is plus. It's got OK grip. Set comes with plenty of bits assortments. These assortments rail are good idea. It's easy to sort the bits and prevent losing. You can take all bits at once with these rails. Bits quality seems nice. Here is bit adapter. Insert the bits into the adapter and it can be used with ratchet directly, as well as onto the universal joint and extension. Now this piece of tool bit adapter is for impact drill machine. You guys know how this is used onto the impact drill gun. This socket adapter bit can be used to connect the socket with this impact adapter for the impact drill gun, which is nice addition to this set, I would say. The shadow foam is not removable. It would be nice if it is removable and can be carried into the toolbox drawers. Overall, this whole set is nice with good quality tools. I was wondering why this tool set is way cheaper than their other metal toolboxes. I think it's because this tool set has mix of made in Germany and generic tool pieces. Ratchets are made in Germany and stamped onto the ratchet. Socket seems solid and has quite near chrome finish as typical Gedore industrial chrome finish, but not exact same. And they don't have made in Germany stamp, so I doubt those are made in Germany. Extensions are definitely looks red line product of Gedore. I'm a bit disappointed with the set since it gives impression of blue line product There is no information on the box nor on the package that it is made in Germany. But on the positive note, with this price, getting two quality ratchets and socket set is not that bad deal. It's just expectations and confusion of information. Guys, if you have any information on this set or if you have different opinion, feel free to comment below. I end this video here. Thanks for coming along. Consider to like and subscribe my channel. I will see you in another video.